Alright traders, let's take a look at Recall coin. The market has been showing some strong movement lately, but the big question is, will sellers continue to dominate or are buyers getting ready to take over? Let's break it down together. Now, as you can see, we are currently on Recall coin, and when you look at the overall structure of the market, it's clearly in a downtrend direction. The price has been forming a consistent pattern of lower highs and lower lows, which shows that sellers are still in control of the market. If you look closely around this level, you'll notice something interesting. When I draw my trend line, you can clearly see that price has respected this line multiple times in the past. Each time the price came back to touch it, we saw rejection and continuation to the downside. That tells us this trend line is a strong key level in the market. So what are we waiting for next? Right now, we'll be watching to see if the market pulls back to this trend line area around 0.25. If price comes back up to that level and forms a bearish candlestick pattern, something like a pin bar, engulfing candle, or a strong rejection, that will be our signal to look for a sell setup from that point downward. However, if the market decides not to respect that trend line and instead breaks above it, then our bias will change. We'll wait for the retest around 0.24, and if we get a bullish candlestick confirmation, that's when we can start looking for buy opportunities from there upward. The key point here is patience. We are not forcing trades. We're waiting for the market to confirm direction before taking action. Summary. The overall structure on Recall coin is still in a downtrend, with a clear series of lower highs and lower lows. Our trend line has been respected multiple times, proving to be a strong level of resistance. If price comes back and respects it again, we'll look for a bearish candlestick to sell from there down. But if the market breaks above the trend line, we'll wait for a retest around 0.24 and then look for a bullish confirmation to buy from there up. So that's the full breakdown on Recall coin. The market is clearly in a downtrend, and our next move depends on how price reacts around this key trend line. Will sellers step in again to push the market lower, or will buyers break through and shift the momentum? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think sellers will hold control, or is it time for a reversal? This is all about Recall coin, and I'll see you guys in the next video.